Product managers are the new must hire for companies, and with a base median salary of $150,000, it's a pretty good opportunity. So, what do you do if you want to get the foot in the door of this lucrative career? Well, you have to learn to speak the lingo. Well, my name is Afreen Rahman, and in this video, I will talk about the 10 key product management terms you need to know. So, stay tuned and like and subscribe our channel. Product management is so closely linked with project management that they are often seen as one and the same thing. Well, this isn't true. Although some aspect of product management do cross over, they need to be treated separately. But in this video, I'm going to cover 10 key terms that I think all product managers need to know. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get notified. Well, term number one, product manager. Now, this is probably the most fundamental one to get right and shouldn't be confused with the project manager. The product manager is the person who owns a particular product or group of products within the business, right? They're responsible for the overarching, strategy or direction of the product. They are defining its features and the functional requirements, and eventually they are sunsetting, the product into completion. Term number two, product strategy. A product strategy is the roadmap. It covers the end-to-end vision of the product and gives a big picture context of what it will become. It should cover the following topics like target market, positioning, features, design, usability, technology, quality, and branding. Third is market requirements document. Now, this is a document that a product manager produces to show a specific market demands or requirements for a particular product. Now, it is not a highly detailed analysis, but it will contain information about like the competitive landscape, the product vision, requirements, potential market size, and high-level product features. Well, term number four that you need to know is go-to-market plan or strategy. Now, the go-to-market plan is an end-to-end map of how an organization will deliver their product. Now, it is not to be confused with a market requirements document or a product strategy, right? Although those documents will feed into this plan. Now, it should cover the product release, promotion, sales strategies and channels, pricing, and marketing campaigns, right? It should be a living document that's updated regularly as more information becomes available. Now, term number five, minimum viable product. A minimum viable product is the absolute minimum set of features that the product needs to contain to attract early adopters. Term number six, bill of materials. Now, this is a complete list of raw materials, components, parts, and the quantities of each that will be needed to build a particular product. Term number seven, cannibalization. Now, this is the reduction in scale, sales or market shares of a particular product that's a direct result of the organization introducing a new product. Organizations usually have a product manager who is responsible for a suite of products to keep this to a minimum. Term number eight, release notes. Now, these are the documents that are provided alongside a new or updated product. Now, it tells the user what has changed and if there is any new functionality, right? It may also contain any known issues. So, term number nine, product marketing. This is a team that's responsible for marketing the product to the world. This includes launching the product, providing the sales team with the marketing collateral, and leading the various marketing campaigns, right? Term number 10, finally, we have what is called as sunsetting. Now, this is a controlled way of taking a product out of circulation. So it usually happens when a product has been, superseded by a newer version, or it's no longer kind of, profitable. So in the case of software, it means that the version is no longer supported. And one last thing, these terms apply equally to the internal and external facing product managers. I hope you found this list useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up. There's obviously loads more product management terms, that you have. If you have something new, do comment below. All the other things, terms that you find useful. Well, thank you so much for joining us.